Imagine a football team without a coach. Who's hiring the players? Who's helping them train? Who solves their fights or cheers them up after a loss? That's what human resource management, or HRM, does in a business. What is HRM? Human resource management is simply how a company manages its people. Just like you take care of your garden, watering it, giving it sunshine, trimming the bad leaves, HRM helps businesses take care of their employees, hiring them, training them, helping them grow, solving problems, keeping them happy. A popular definition by Edwin Flippo says, HRM is the planning, organizing, directing, and controlling of the procurement, development, compensation, integration, and maintenance of people. Example time. Let's say you run a toy company. You need workers to design, make, and sell toys. Here's how HRM helps. Finds the right people to hire. Gives them training to do the job well. Decides their salary. Gives them bonuses for great work. Helps if they're stressed or unhappy. Builds a friendly, safe work environment. Without HRM, people quit, teams fall apart, and businesses fail. Why HRM is important? People are the heart of any business. Machines don't smile at customers. Robots don't create new ideas. That's why companies invest in human resources. The most valuable asset. HRM helps businesses find talented people, keep workers motivated, create teamwork, solve conflicts, build strong leaders. As Richard Branson, founder of Virgin, said, "Take care of your employees, and they'll take care of your business." Did you know? Over 90% of top global companies have a full HR department. Even small businesses now use HR tools to manage teams better. So remember, behind every successful business, there's an HR team making sure people are happy, skilled, and working together like a dream team. If you want to run a business or be a great leader someday, understanding HRM is a must. Subscribe to the channel for more easy lessons like this.